Is college a scam? Is it bogus? Is it a huge hoax? Is it just this made up thing? This piece of paper is going to buy you a better career or a better future. I talk to people all the time with these concerns, people that feel like college is just this big scam. That's exactly what we're going to talk about today. Hi, I'm Ryan Swayt, and I used to be a two-time college dropout, making just $12 an hour. Then I learned how to hack college and earned an entire bachelor's degree in 9 months flat. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you how. All right, is college a scam? The answer is kind of. It depends on the way you look at it, and I'm going to go through both sides. There are arguments that say no, there are arguments that say yes, but let me start here. Higher education, as in learning or getting training to learn a skill, a specific skill after high school, is absolutely not a scam. I want you to think about doctors and surgeons and lawyers and all these very specialized careers where people have to go and learn how to do those things. Like, I've had surgery before, okay? I want to have surgery by a surgeon that's had very specialized training to become a surgeon so that they know when they cut my body open, they know exactly what to do, right? That is high value training that comes through college, right? And we all know this. We all want lawyers. If we need a lawyer, we want a lawyer that's gone through very extensive training on being a lawyer, right? So in a sense, the higher education side of it is absolutely not a scam, okay? But on the other hand, we have lots and lots of jobs that literally having a degree does not teach us how to do those jobs, but employers in certain fields still want us to have college degrees, right? But when we go get hired at these types of jobs, we get on-job training that teaches us exactly how to do the job, right? So we're not really using what we learned in college. And I understand how people think, well, college is a big scam. You have to have a degree to get the better job. And I totally get that. Here's the thing. If an employer views the diploma, just that piece of paper, if an employer views that piece of paper as meaning you offer more value to their company and you will be a better employee, then you have to have that piece of paper to get hired at that company, right? It's very much like money, okay? Like a quarter or a dollar bill, right? It's just a coin or it's just a piece of paper, but if that piece of paper, if someone accepts that piece of paper and gives you a good or a service in return, then that piece of paper then means something because you can get something for it, right? A college diploma is very much the same. If you have that piece of paper, and yes, it is just a piece of paper, it really is. But if you can show that to somebody and you all of a sudden are going to get paid more because you have it, that piece of paper now is valuable to us, right? Now, I totally get how people can think, oh, college is a scam. And here's why, okay? Yes, that piece of paper or the college diploma holds value to employers. In return, it's valuable to us because we can make more money and have better careers because of it. Now, here's where the problem is, okay? Colleges and universities, they are businesses, okay? They know that we want that piece of paper. They know we want the diploma. They know that diploma is going to get us pay raises and better jobs. So what colleges and universities do is they make us jump through hoops and hoops and hoops to get the college degree. Homework assignments and sitting in class lectures and reading textbooks and all this stuff. Reality is, to learn what we are supposed to learn in college, we don't actually have to read the textbooks. We don't actually have to sit in the classroom. That's just the colleges or the school's requirements to give us that piece of paper, right? So I can see in that sense, a lot of people feel like college is a scam because it's clear and obvious that for most jobs and most careers, 80+% of what we study in college is completely irrelevant and we will never use in our careers, right? I got a college degree. Guess what? In my day-to-day career, I don't use very much of what I learned in college. So in that sense, I understand where people, the college scam people, where they're coming from. Yet that piece of paper is still worth something because it can get us pay raise upon pay raise upon pay raise and get us a much better career. It's a kind of a tough situation. Now, there is a solution for this, okay? You don't have to jump through all the colleges and universities' hoops. You don't have to read the textbooks. You don't have to learn from the teacher's lectures. You don't have to sit in the classroom or any of that stuff. You can literally earn that piece of paper or earn that degree by testing out of all of your classes. And here's the example I want to use, okay? I don't know if you know anybody or maybe you yourself. I have friends and even siblings who were not on track to graduate in high school. So they went into the administration at high school or in high school, right? And they gave them packets, like basically homework packets for their classes and said, okay, if you finish this packet, we'll give you credit for the class. Well, guess what? They went home, procrastinate, and then like the weekend before the packet's due, they just do the whole packet and they get credit for the whole class. And it literally took 5-6 hours to do all of it. And they literally skipped a semester in the classroom. It's crazy, right? College, there's kind of a way to do that. Okay. You can literally skip all the homework, ditch the textbooks, throw them in the trash can. You can literally find out what's going to be on the test, study those things using whatever study resources are best for you. I like the internet. I like Google. I like YouTube and online forums. So you can learn using those things and then take the tests for each class, right? That's if you feel like college is a scam and you don't want to sit through the classroom for 4, 5, 6+ years, you can skip all that and still end up with the piece of paper, with the degree, right? And in exchange, have a better career and all the pay raises. I teach a process called degree hacking. It's basically the process of finding out what's going to be on the test, learning those things, taking the test. That's it. Weeding out all the fluff, all the hoops that colleges try to make us jump through, and skipping to the finish line. It helped me earn a college degree in literally 9 months flat, and I've seen it work for lots and lots of other people, and I'm sure it can help you as well. If you'd like to learn that process, go to diplomasecrets.com, or click the link below the video. I'll leave a link where you can go and watch a free tutorial that walks you through the step-by-step process of degree hacking. Okay. One last thing I want to say, is college a scam? Make sure when you choose a college, it's a regionally accredited college. Any college that is not regionally accredited is pretty much a scam. Okay. They don't have that higher bar of education, so the diploma really doesn't mean much. So regional accreditation, any college that's not regionally accredited, don't go. It's a scam, okay? But in general, higher education is not a scam. Having a piece of paper or a diploma that gets you a better job is not a scam. But the process that colleges and universities make us follow to get the degree, I can totally see how people feel like that is completely bogus. And the good news is you don't have to follow all of those steps that colleges try to make you follow. So hope this video's helped. Hope it's helped open your mind about other ways to earn college degrees. Because yes, you don't need to pay $40,000 to $100,000 in tuition to earn a college degree. You just don't. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. If you have a suggestion on a video you'd like me to record or a video topic, leave that below. I'm happy to answer questions and make new videos that make your life easier. If you like videos like this, if you like learning how to graduate faster and save a whole bunch of money on tuition, just like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and you'll start seeing more videos just like this. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you in the next video.